Hey everyone, you're watching getassist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will show you how you can change your location on Tinder. Although Tinder automatically detects your current location, but still in case if you want to add a different location, you can do that very easily as I will show you in today's video. So without any further delay, let's get started with the topic. Alright, so first of all, you just have to open your Tinder app and make sure you are logged in. Now after that, you simply have to tap your profile icon that is given at the top left corner, and this will direct you to three options. So simply have to select settings. Now here, if you will scroll down under discovery settings option, you will see this option that says location, my current location. Now in case if you want to change it to a different one, you simply have to tap my current location, and here you will get an option that says add a new location. So simply you have to tap that, but keep this in mind, in order to add a new location apart from your current location, you will need to be a member of Tinder Plus. Alright, so if you will press this option, it will ask you to get Tinder Plus, only then you will be able to add a new location. Apart from that, you can easily use your current location for free, but in case if you want to add a new location, or if you have shifted, you will need to get Tinder Plus. Alright, so that's how you can change your current location on Tinder. That was all for this topic. If you still have any doubts regarding any of my video, you can tell me in the comment section down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, for more informative and useful content. Thank you for watching.